So let's enter the world of children. Here I am with Lucio Perego, Managing Director of Peg Perego. Since we're talking about children, when did your company take its first steps?
The firm was started by my father 55 years ago, when I was born. The baby carriage he had bought for Gianluca, my older brother, was no longer any good, and so, since he'd already set up his own business as a craftsman after leaving Falk Company here in Arcore, he made me a baby carriage. Evidently, people liked it, and so that was the first of many, many more.
So in just 50 years, you became the market leaders. What are the characteristics that distinguish you from the other manufacturers?
One thing that everyone admires us for is that we have been able to remain very Italian. In other words, to completely manufacture here in Italy products which are exported throughout the whole world. A lot of our competitors have given that up, and they've moved production in countries where labor costs are much lower. Perhaps they had a momentary advantage over us, but we feel that in the long run, the approach we've taken, that of products completely made in Italy, is still the winning solution.
Over the years, Peg Perego has created models and technological innovations that have deeply influenced world markets. With a strong international presence, in fact over 70% of production is exported, Peg Perego is a dynamic organization with company branches in several highly industrialized countries: Italy, United States, Canada and Brazil. Peg Perego dedicates a lot of effort to research and the creation of new products. The company is capable of launching new products on the market each year, products which are in the vanguard of design, quality and functionality. Important objectives are reliability and safety, enabling to pass the most stringent standards and tests all over the world. This then is the premise for an entirely Italian production in line with the needs of today's consumers. Products that are easy to use, practical, safe, sturdy and stylish. Research, innovation and design are Peg Perego's strong points. In the R&D and marketing departments, ideas are born and then transferred to the computer for the designing stage. In this way, the feasibility of the model is tested before passing on to the tool-making stage. Graphic design, packaging, models, fabric colors and fashion trends are studied and elaborated within the company thanks to a group of experts. The marketing department designs all the catalogues and materials necessary to support the sales of products to customers and then to the final consumers, with the aim of providing clear, exhaustive information on its features and use. Special attention is given to the lifestyle image and emotional content. All products systematically undergo dynamic resistance, wear and tear and packaging tests in conformity with international standards and regulations. High-tech machinery cuts upholstery material and fabrics using computerized programs. Specially equipped assembly lines ensure perfect assembly and packaging. Each product has its own identity card, name, surname and final destination. The same technology is applied to toy vehicles for children. We start from the raw material, granules of neutral or colored polypropylene. Discarded material is not reused in order to guarantee the quality of the finished product. The first quality checks are carried out directly in each production department. Workshop, thermoplastic casting and fabrics. Testing of the finished product is carried out at the end of the line on 100% of production. Thanks to special lift machines, large packaging can be positioned directly on the benches. In 2002, the company received the ISO 9001 certificate, which offers both clients and consumers a guarantee and trust in the way the company operates. A modern computerized dispatching department sees that orders are dispatched promptly. In 2001, Peg Perego inaugurated the company child care center that bears the name of its founder, Giuseppe Perego, The nursery school has been built in front of the factory and offers its service to employees and also to other parents in the area. Peg Perego, an Italian company with the world as its vocation.